In this video, I'll show you how to create a PayPal account step by step, using either your phone or a computer. First, download the PayPal app from the App Store or Google Play, or visit the official PayPal website and tap Sign Up. PayPal lets you choose between a personal account for everyday payments or a business account if you'll accept customer payments. Next, enter your country, then type your email address and create a strong password. PayPal will send a code to your email or phone, so enter that code to confirm it's really you. Now fill in your basic details like name, address, and phone number, exactly as they appear on your official documents. After your account is created, go to Wallet and link a bank account or debit/credit card so you can pay and withdraw more easily. Finally, turn on two-step verification and security settings to protect your account and avoid logging in through random links. Always use the app or type the website directly. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.